you meant to go this way? How can it be that you're not here with me? It can't be. This isn't how it's supposed to be. You should be here beside me. You should be in my arms, guiding me and guarding me. No, I was not there when you needed me the most. I will never forget the last time I saw your face. Oh, images embedded in my mind, forever tattooed in my heart. You were the one that protected me and cared for me, protected me. This is the way that things sometimes play out. Situations you can't control, and you feel like you're in